Hello, I'm Marie Walton-Mahon, the founder of Progressing Ballet Technique. I would like to introduce you to Weronika Tobolska, who we met recently when she enrolled in a PBT certification course. Weronika is the founder, owner and principal physiotherapist at Tempo Physiotherapy, a clinic dedicated to dance medicine located on the Sunshine Coast in Australia. Her passion for creating a safety net for dancers and dance teachers is what drives Weronika. She empowers the dancers and teachers to understand their own body to enable a smart way of focusing on their full potential. In her work with dancers, Weronika provides a roadmap with pointers and indicators to help them reach their desired goal. Weronika and I share the same passion in safe dance training. As a prominent physiotherapist, how should the dance teacher prepare the feet for point work?
Well, Marie, point work is an extraordinary skill, and it puts feet, it's very unnatural to human bodies, and it puts feet in extreme positions, and it reduces the contact with the ground. So it's a whole body experience, and the whole body has to work together in harmony to support this and to make point work safe and enjoyable as well. So it takes a long time to train all those special skills, to train the whole body, and training should start even a few years ahead of potential transition onto point. And dance teachers can include conditioning classes like PBT conditioning into their curriculum to support the young dancers. And it's very crucial that they include exercises that help strengthen the feet, like intrinsic foot strength and calf strength. They also should include exercises that look into proper technique placement and muscle recruitment and proprioception and balance and awareness of the technique. So building stability and control of standing leg just on one leg is very important as well.
Absolutely. Point work commences early in a student's training, and this is why PBT has dedicated a new section devoted solely to pre-point and point training.